Good morning, dear children. I welcome you to your grammar class. Today we'll start with a new topic, that is adverb. But if we have already done verbs, what are verbs? You very well know. Verbs are the action words, right? So, now let's discuss what are adverbs. Adverbs, from the word itself, you can guess that adverb means words which add something to the meaning of the verb are called adverbs. See, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that can modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Lots of adverbs end ly. For example, she swims quickly. Now, bache, what is adverb? Adverb is a word that can bring a change, or it can give a better quality of a verb, adjective, or adverb. And most of the adverbs bache end with ly. Okay, let's take an example. She swims quickly. Now here the adverb quickly modifies the verb swims. Now see bache, swims is a verb, it's an action word, you know, right? So swims, कैसे swim करती है वो? Quickly swim करती है. So quickly is giving a better quality of a verb, right? So this is an adverb. Let's take few more examples of adverbs. Reads carefully. He reads carefully. वो कैसे read करता है? Carefully. So carefully is giving the quality of reading more better. Walks slowly. She walks slowly. कैसे walk करती है? Slowly. Sleeps quietly. He sleeps quietly. कैसे sleep करता है? Quietly. Sings beautifully. वो कैसे sing करती है? Beautifully. So all these words end with ly. Did you notice that? So these are adverbs. Adverbs tell us how the action take place, where the action take place, when the action take place, how often the action takes place, and to what extent the action takes place. बच्चे adverb हमें इन सब के बारे में बताता है कि वो action कैसे हुआ, कहाँ हुआ, कब हुआ, कितनी बार हुआ और कितने extent तक हुआ. Let's discuss the types of adverbs. Do you know how many types of adverbs are there? Let's see. There are 5 kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, and adverbs of degree. Let's study about all these kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner tells us how the action is happening. Adverbs of place tell us where the action is happening, and adverb of time tells us when the action is happening, and adverb of frequency tells us how often the action is happening. And there is one more adverb, that is adverb of degree, which tells us that to what extent the action is happening. First kind of adverb is adverb of manner. बच्चे, adverb of manner is used to express the manner in which the action takes place. In simple words, we can say that it answers the question how. Adverb of manner बच्चे हमें ये बताता है कि जो action हुआ है वो कैसे हुआ है. Okay, let's see the examples here. The alarm rang loudly. Now we know that the alarm rang, but how did it rang? How did it ring? Loudly. वो कैसे ring हुआ? Loudly हुआ. So loudly is adverb of manner. Harry ran quickly. Now Harry ran, okay, but how did he run? Harry ran quickly. कैसे भागा वो? Quickly भागा. So it added something to the verb, right? It has given a better quality to the verb, that Harry ran quickly. Harry कैसे भागा? Quickly भागा. So this is adverb of manner. The next adverb is adverb of place, and it answers the question where. Beta, the adverb of place is used to explain the place where the action takes place. Okay, and it answers the question where. Adverb of place बेटा हमें ये बताता है कि action कहाँ पे हुआ है. Okay, let's see the examples. Put the cake there. Cake को वहाँ रख दो. Right. Now there here is a adverb of place. Why? Because it is telling the location. It is telling us the location where we have to put the cake. Put the cake there. Where should we put the cake? Put the cake there. Then I looked everywhere for my book. Where did I look for my book? I looked everywhere for my book. Okay. मैंने अपनी बुक को हर तरफ ढूंढा. Right. Now everywhere is also telling us the location. Right? कि मैंने अपनी बुक को कहाँ ढूंढा? Everywhere. Where? Let's come to the other kind of adverb, that is adverb of time. बच्चे adverb of time is used to explain time of the happening of the action. Okay, it explains कि action कब हुआ. In other words, it answers the questions when. कौन सा question answer करता है ये? When. कब. Let's see the examples. Kriti went to gym today. When did Kriti go to gym? Today. The answer is today. So today is adverb of time. They go out to dinner weekly. When do they go out for dinner? They go out for dinner weekly. Now weekly is also a time. Okay, वो dinner के लिए कब जाते हैं? Weekly जाते हैं. So weekly here is the adverb of time. Like she takes exercise daily. When does she take exercise? She takes exercise daily. Daily here is the adverb of time. वो रोज लेती है. My father will return soon. When will my father return? My father will return soon. So like this it answers the question when. The other kind of adverb is adverb of frequency. बच्चे adverb of frequency is used to explain the intervals at which something takes place. Right? In other words, it answers the question how often. कितनी बार. Okay? It answers the question how often. कितनी बार. Let's see the examples. Sometimes he play cricket. Okay. How often does he play cricket? Sometimes he play cricket. वो कभी कभी क्रिकेट खेलता है. So here exact number is not given. Sometimes, कभी कभी. So this is how often. Ritesh never smokes. How often Ritesh smokes? Ritesh never smokes. वो कभी भी smoke नहीं करता. So here also the exact time is not given. कभी करता नहीं है वो smoke, right? So never here is the adverb of frequency. Like always speak the truth. हमेशा सच बोलो. Always here is the adverb of frequency. Okay, how often should we speak the truth? Always speak the truth. हमें हमेशा सच बोलना चाहिए. So no typical particular time is not given here. Just the frequency is given. That how often should we do this? Next kind of adverb is adverb of degree. बच्चे adverb of degree tell us about the intensity or degree of an action, an adjective or another adverb. Beta, it tells us about the intensity or degree, means it tells us that the action that is taking place वो किस हद तक हुआ है, to what extent, किस हद तक, right? And it answers the question to what extent. See the examples. They are happy. Now this is a sentence, simple sentence. Now if we add they are extremely happy, so we come to know that to what extent they are happy. वो कितने happy हैं, किस हद तक happy हैं. Extremely, बहुत ज़्यादा happy हैं. I hate traveling by plane. This is a simple sentence. But if we add I really hate traveling by plane. So really here is adverb of degree because it is telling us to what extent I hate traveling by plane. मुझे किस हद तक मुझे hate है. Really hate. बहुत ज़्यादा hate करती हूँ मैं. He is always late. It's a simple sentence. But if we add he is almost always late. वो तकरीबन late होता है. So this is to what extent he is late. He is always late we know. But किस हद तक late होता है वो? Almost, तकरीबन late होता है. So this is adverb of degree. Like we can say, take few more examples. I fully agree with you. मैं तुमसे fully agree करती हूँ. मैं तुमसे fully सहमत हूँ. Okay, I agree with you अगर हम ये भी बोले तो this is also not wrong. But if we add I fully agree with you, then मैं totally fully तुमसे agree करती हूँ, totally agree करती हूँ, right? So this is to what extent I agree with you. The last kind of adverb is interrogative adverb. बच्चे interrogative adverb is used to ask questions related to an action. Okay, in other words, it is a question word. Okay, the words which are used to ask questions are interrogative adverbs. Take few examples here. How was the movie? Movie कैसी थी? Now, how here is the interrogative adverb because it is asking question. When does the play begin? Play कब begin हुआ? Now here when is the interrogative adverb as it is asking the question. Where is the new mall being built? Mall being built. New mall कहाँ बन रहा है? So where here is the interrogative adverb as it is asking the question. Why don't you like her? तुम उसे पसंद क्यों नहीं करते? Then why here is a interrogative adverb. So all the words that are used to ask questions are called interrogative adverbs. I hope you have understood this concept very well. We'll have discussion on it. Thank you so much.